Hi, this is Matt. I just received a package from Ttesports and we're gonna do an unboxing today, so let's begin.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
So this is it, guys, the new Poseidon Z Plus Smart keyboard. So it has a mobile app called Ttesports Plus Professional available on the App Store. It has built-in Bluetooth, which basically records your input that you put in the keyboard and turn them into statistics, so that's cool. And at the back it has multimedia keys, adjust backlight keys, and switch Windows keys to control function. Next, it has a Ttesports certified mechanical switch with 5-year warranty. That's it, guys, 5-year warranty. So that's really nice for a mechanical keyboard. So let's take a look inside the box and see what's inside.
See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.